Welcome to Dream Abroad with IELTS. Hi, today we will discuss IELTS General Writing Task 2 Cause or Effect or Problem or Solution Essay Writing. Writing. It is the third test in IELTS and it is conducted for 60 minutes and it has two tasks, Task 1 and Task 2. In General Writing, Task 2 is an essay writing. Here you can write at least 250 words. Cause or effect or problem or solution essay writing is one of them and today we will discuss it in detail. Cause or effect or problem or solution essay. Here you will be asked to write about cause or problem and their effect or solution to a specific issue. Sometimes, however, you will only be required to write about possible solutions. Next, about structure of the essay. It has an introduction, body and conclusion. First, about introduction. Here you can write minimum 2 sentences. In first sentence, rewrite the question with major ideas. Mostly it will be negative. Second sentence is the thesis sentence mentioning the solution. Next, about body. Here write maximum 2 to 4 paragraphs. Here I am giving 3 paragraphs. In paragraph 1, write cause or problem of a specific issue. And here you can ask what, why, how, etc. and explain it with examples. In paragraph 2, write effects like positives and negatives and explain it with examples. In paragraph 3, you can write solution to that specific issue and explain it with examples. Finally, conclusion means wrap up. Here you can summarize the key points. Here I am giving some example questions. Example number 1. One problem faced by almost every large city is traffic congestion. What do you think the causes are? And what solutions can you suggest? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Example number 2. Influence of human beings on the world's ecosystem is leading to the extinction of species and loss of biodiversity. What are the primary causes of loss of biodiversity? And what solutions can you suggest? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Example number 3. Stress-related illness are becoming increasingly common. What do you think are the causes of this? And what solutions can you suggest? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Example number 4. Since the beginning of the 20th century, the number of endangered species has increased significantly. And we have witnessed more mass extinction in this period than in any other period of time. What are the reasons for this? And what are the possible solutions for this? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. This is it about IELTS General Writing Task 2 Cause or Effect or Problem or Solution Essay. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.